Looking for a natural remedy that works wonders for your skin, hair, and even your health? You might be surprised to learn that one of the best-kept secrets has been sitting on shelves for centuries: castor oil. In this video, I'm diving into the top benefits of castor oil and exactly how to use it safely and effectively. So whether you're into natural beauty, holistic health, or just love simple, powerful solutions, this video is for you. So what exactly is castor oil? It's a thick vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Castor oil is loaded with ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid famous for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial powers. For centuries, it's been a staple in traditional medicine, beauty routines, and even some industrial uses. Let's get into the top 5 benefits of castor oil. First up, it promotes hair growth. This is probably the most popular use. Thanks to its deep moisturizing properties and high vitamin E content, castor oil nourishes your scalp, boosts blood flow, and helps strengthen hair follicles. That means healthier, fuller-looking hair. Next, it's a skin savior. Castor oil is amazing if you've got dry or irritated skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial qualities help reduce acne, soothe sunburn, and even fade scars over time. Just a tiny bit can make a big difference. Number 3, it supports eyelash and eyebrow growth. Want thicker lashes or fuller brows? Use a clean mascara wand, dip it in castor oil, and swipe it over your lashes or brows before bed. Let nature do the rest. Fourth, castor oil can relieve constipation, but only with caution. It's a natural laxative, and just 1 teaspoon can help with occasional constipation. But always talk to your doctor before using it internally, and never go above the recommended dose. And finally, it eases joint and muscle pain. With its anti-inflammatory magic, massaging warm castor oil onto sore joints or muscles can help melt away stiffness and discomfort. So, how do you use castor oil safely? Here are a few quick tips. Always do a patch test first to check for allergies. Choose cold-pressed, hexane-free oil for the purest and safest option. Remember, a little goes a long way. It's super thick. If you're using it for hair or skin, apply it 2 to 3 times a week. Mixing it with lighter oils like coconut or jojoba helps with easier application. And definitely avoid contact with your eyes, especially when using it on lashes or brows. So there you have it. Castor oil isn't just an old-school remedy. It's a natural powerhouse that can boost your beauty and wellness routine in more ways than one. From glowing skin to healthier hair, it's affordable, accessible, and truly effective. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. And comment below. Have you tried castor oil before? I want to hear about your experience.